Hello everyone. In this video I will let you know how to share the Excel file in MS Office 1890-20 and MS Office 365. So I'm using Office 365, so the Excel sheet is look like this, and if you guys are using 20 it will look like this. For enabling the option of share workbook, we have to first search for quick access toolbar. So we can search here in Excel 2021. We have to click here and you will find more option, and there we have to select workbook legacy. I'm using 365, so I will let you know how. So we go to here, and here showing quick access toolbar, so it's showing a symbol here. Click it here and then scroll it down for more commands. So now this window is open. Here we have to select all commands and search for share workbook legacy. Given for S, scroll it down, scroll it down, scroll it down. Here we find share workbook legacy. We have to add here and then press OK. Now you will find this one here, share workbook legacy. So as I mentioned, if you're using 2021, when you select follow all these previous steps, same share workbook legacy will appear here. Okay, now we have to click here and enable this option. Okay, okay. Now this workbook is shared. Now you can see here. So this is a way how to share Excel in 65 or 22. If you want to unshare the workbook, you have to go to review, then click here, share, unshare workbook. Thank you.